Good morning children. How you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 45. Now I am going to start exercise 46. Let us start our class. See the first one. To 35 and 47. The answer is to 35 and 47. That means you have to add 35 and 47. So 35 plus 47. 5 plus 7, 12. 4 plus 4, 8. 82 is the answer. Okay, see the second one, Amma. Insert correct sign. Insert greater than, less than or equal to signs. What are those? 7,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 8. Here 4,000 plus 3,500 plus 40. 7,540. Okay, children. Which one? What the symbol you have to insert in that? We have to choose. First, we have to find the number. How much it is? It is 7,400, 5 tens and 8. 7,458. Here, if you add 0, tens place 4 and hundreds place 5. In thousands place 4 plus 3, 7. And here 7,540. If you observe these two numbers, both are equal. So put equal to symbol. Okay, ma? See here 7,400, 7,500. So it is more number. So put greater than symbol. See the third one, children. 300 plus blank into 2 equal to 700s. Okay, see that 300 plus blank into 2 equal to 700. So that implies blank into 2 equal to 700 minus 300. What is 700 minus 300, children? What is 700 minus 300? It's nothing but 400s. It's nothing but 400s. So blank into 2 equal to 400. That implies we should find the value of blank equal to 400 by 2. What is half of 400, children? 2 divides 400s. 2 2s 4. Remainder 0. Drop down 0. 2 zeros 0. Again drop down 0. 2 zeros 0. So answer is 200s. Answer is 200. So if you insert that 200 in that, 200 plus 2, 400. 400 plus 300, 700. So then it is correct. See the next one, Amma. Fourth one. Circle the greatest number. Circle the greatest number. Nine thousand 9,843, 9,849, 9,489. So here they are asking us to circle the greatest number. In these numbers, which one is greater, you have to circle it. Which number is greater, you have to circle it. See the numbers given. 9,000, all stands at 9,000 only. 9,300, 9,800, 9,800, 9,400. So A and B are smaller than these two. So that B and C numbers are greater numbers. What are those? 9,843, 9,849. 9,849 is the greatest number. See the fifth one, number. The shaded portion shows. The shaded portion shows. The shaded portion shows. What it shows, ma? See the shaded part. What was given here? Here they divided this one into 8 equal 8 They shaded 5 parts and they are asking us what is the shaded portion. 5 by 6. What is the shaded portion? 5 by 6. 16, not 6, 5 by 16. Next one, 72 into 5. Instead of multiplying directly, we can multiply directly 72 into 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 7 is 35 plus 1 36, 316. Instead of multiplying like that 72 into 10 by 2, instead of writing 5, you can write 10 by 2. 2 ones, 2 3s is 6, remainder 1 will be 12, 2 4s 12. So 34 into 10. 2 6 are 12, 36 into 10. Nothing but 360 is the right answer. Okay, see the next one, ma. 7th one. Six scores equal to how many dozens? 6 scores equal to how many dozens? Listen, 1 score equal to how many units, children? 20 units. 1 score equal to how many units, Amma? 20 units. How many dozens are there in 6 scores they are asking? Dozen means how many units? 1 dozen equal to how many units, children? 12 units. Here they are asking 6 scores equal to how many dozens? 6 scores equal to 1 score 20 na, 6 into 20. 6 2 12, 120 units are there. They are asking how many dozens are there in this 120. Number of dozens in 120. How many number of dozens are there in 120? 120 divided by 12. 12 ones, 12 zeros. Answer is 10 dozens. Answer is 10 dozens. 8th one. Circle the greatest fraction. Circle the greatest fraction. Circle the greatest fraction. Here they given some fractions for us and they are asking us to circle which one is greater of all. See the fractions given. 7 by 16, 5 by 16, 3 by 16, 9 by 16. Here all are having the same denominators. So which type of fractions these are? These are all like fractions. So which is having the highest numerator, that is the greatest fraction of all. So the numbers which was given in the numerator 7, 5, 3, 9. 9 is the greater one. So 9 by 6 is the greatest fraction. See the 9th one, Amma. See the 9th one, children. Divide 240 mangoes. Divide 240 mangoes among 12 persons equally. Among 12 persons equally. Each person gets how many mangoes? Each person gets how many mangoes? Okay, divide 240 mangoes among 12 persons equally. Each person get how many mangoes? So total number of mangoes 240, number of persons are 12. So number of mangoes divided equally 12 among 12 persons. Among 12 persons. It's nothing but 240 mangoes. Those are all totally 240 mangoes. They are asking how many mangoes each one will get. So number of mangoes each person gets. Number of mangoes each person gets. divide 12 with 240, you will get that answer. Then 12 table, 12 ones 12, 12 twos 24. So remainder 0. Now drop down 0 again. 12 zeros 0. Remainder 0. So each one gets 20 mangoes. Each one gets 20 mangoes. See that last one, 10th one, amma. See the last one, 10th one. What will be the cost of a dozen pens? What will be the cost of a dozen pens if the cost of one such pen is rupees 58. Here they given cost of one pen and they are asking us to find the cost of a dozen pens. Dozen means how many units, children? Dozen means 12 units. Yes, na? So cost of one pen. Cost of one pen. It's nothing but 58 rupees. Cost of one pen is 58 rupees. Here they are asking us to find cost of dozen pens. Cost of dozen pens. It's nothing but 58 into dozen means how many units, children? 12 units. So if you multiply with 12, you will get that answer. So multiply with 12, 58 with 12. 12 eights are 96. 12 eights, 96. Write 6 here and 9 here. 12 fives, 60. 60 plus 9, 69. It's nothing but 696 rupees. It's nothing but 696 rupees. Okay, now the 10 sums was completed. Okay, children, in the next class we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.